Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to see your card number on Bank of America app. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to see your bank card number on the Bank of America app here, well, there are a few things that you may want to check or you may want to do here. Now, the thing with the Bank of America here, if you want to view your card number, well, this is kind of complicated. Now, if you try accessing the app or try logging into your account, you may notice that you can only see the last four digits of your card number. Now, there is a specific reason for that. Now, it's a security feature here that Bank of America actually implemented. So, with that said, you won't be able to fully view it online or fully online. So you won't be able to see the whole card number, only the last four. Now, in order for you to get the whole card number, you need to refer to the physical card that you already have. But in some cases, let's just say that you lost access to your card. What do you need to do? Now, it is highly recommended that you disable or lock your card. So for security purposes, so that people will not be able to access your card. So in this case, you just need to open up the app, log in into your account. You want to go to the menu at the top level of your screen, and from then on, just choose Manage Credit or Debit Card, and just look for your card here, and just choose the lock option, and just confirm a few things. Now, once you've done that, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to contact support, since you may want to notify them that you've lost access to your card, and you may need to have another or a new card delivered to you. Typically, to contact them, you could go ahead and just visit any or nearest branch in your area. But if you can't do that, you can still contact them online. So you could just type in the following. It's going to be Bank of America Contact Us. You want to go and click on the first link that you should be seeing in here. And in here, you want to go and scroll down a bit here and look for the option for privacy and security. Let's go and access that one. Now, inside privacy and security, you should be able to see an address here and also a number that you can call. Now, it is highly recommended that you visit their official website here so that you get the latest information, phone number, or email address that you can contact here, just in case you've lost access to your ATM or your card here. So typically, they will confirm a few things and they will send a new card to where you are. Now, just take note that once you do this, the old card that you've lost access your old card will be disabled, so you won't be able to use that anymore, and you'll get a new card number that you could start using. So yeah, so currently this is the only way for you to view your card number. And again, if you've lost access to your card, it's best to contact their support for security purposes. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.